Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with a BGM girl here once again. This is the packaging, same packaging as usual. I get the box in a tote bag, and everything is branded. So the first thing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. I got an extra adjustable elastic band, information card, another information card, and this is the wig that we're working with today. This wig is their layered cut chocolate brown body wave, 7x5, 180% glueless wear and go wig, and it's actually 26 inches long. This is the inside of the cap construction. It has that nice curve for your ear portion, and the combs inside are removable. So if you cannot deal with the combs, you can go ahead and remove them, but they do add to security, being that this is a glueless wig. Also, there is this adjustable strap for further security, and that is the lace space that we're working with. Pretty large. You can go ahead and do a side part, keep a center part, you know. Yeah, I love that everything is pre-curled as well, so you don't have to hassle to recurl that once you know receive the wig for the first time. I went ahead and I adjusted the elastic band so that it would fit nice and snug on my head. You go ahead and fit it to however tight or loose you want it to be. I mean, that's why it's adjustable at the end of the day. So this is how it looks once I go ahead and slip it on. Very nice. As I said, it's a glueless wig, so it's very much great for my beginners or just my girlies that don't have all the time in the world to be installing a wig, and you probably don't have all the experience. A wig like this, you don't need to go to the salon. It's very easy peasy, very to the point. I know a lot of girls be like, I can't deal with a lace, I'm over a lace, but trust and believe, when you get a good glueless lace closure wig or lace front wig, you don't have those worries. No, you really don't. The parting that came in the wig was a little lean, so as you guys can see, I'm fixing that, and I did go in with my wax stick later on to kind of just get everything nice and flat, as you see me doing here. I used my hot comb and I just make sure that that was laid, and after doing this, I did redefine the bangs in the front. Everything is layered so nicely. By the way, I feel like when a wig or a hair look is layered properly, the curls fall so beautifully. It looks even fuller. It's very bouncy. A layered vibe is always a go. That this comes pre-layered, BGM girl here know exactly what they were doing. They knew exactly what they were doing rather, and so I appreciate that. It makes life easy for my girlies, as I said, that don't have all the time in the world to be installing a wig, and my beginners as well. this is the final look. I was just playing around with everything and making sure that, you know, it looks intact and stuff. But as you can see, very straightforward. Wasn't much to it. I just redefined the curls in the front because the rest of it is pretty nicely curled already. So shout out to BGM Girl here for that. I would 10 out of 10 highly recommend. If you need this wig, it's linked down below in my description box. All specifications are also listed. You know, it's summertime. I feel like this wig is perfect for the summertime. I love the color job, by the way, and I think something like this could work for vacation as well. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.